time! Just screw it! Just screw it! Just screw it! Just screw it!
Okay, now with this one, you can literally see that is about 10 mil, let's say 1.5 centimeter of meat. There's no meat behind it. Now if I fit the insert and I tap all the way through, the insert can actually turn out on the back. So I still have to cut the thread, that the last little bit doesn't have thread, so that the insert can actually bite. But that's all I've got to work with. And if you look over here, that's about 3 mil less, about 2.5 mil thickness of wool. So if I do it incorrectly, I can actually crack the block because it's cast iron. So yeah. See, the tap is just starting to come through, so that's about as much as I can go. I have to make sure that the insert is short enough to fit in that small space. Okay, so this is now the pain I have to go through to basically cover or plug the hole for the Mazda Etude. Hey, my brain is fucked up today, man. This is a plug I have to do for the Mazda Etude because the guy drilled so badly and drilled straight through the sump, so the oil's gonna run through if we just put a normal insert in. So now I have to make a plug with thread in so that we can prevent oil from leaking and actually be able to retighten the sump again. Fantastic. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what a bitch mission this is, just to plug a little hole. And the worst of all is he did it on 2 holes, so I have to make another one as well, which is at least a bit smaller, but the job remains exactly the same. There's no difference in that. And then I have another vehicle that's also got a hole that's gone through the water or into the water channel on the injector hole on a Mercedes-Benz. So yeah, now I have to plug everything up, and these all have to be perfectly straight, otherwise yeah, the job can't be done skewed.
And now I'm video. Okay, yeah.
The fuck up is I have to get all the water out before I can
drill. Oh.
When the boat won't budge and you're out of luck, call the pros who don't give a what, you know what's up.
Push
The
it.
kings don't talk, the masters of grind. Broken bolts beware, you're iron tight. Just screw it. If you can screw it, we can do it. Turn your headaches into ions into light. If we can't screw it, you better do it. Breaking limits, yeah, that's how we prove it. Strict thread seas.
Actually made it. I want to get angry, but it doesn't help sort the problem out. Really don't freaking try this stuff at home. And as you see, it didn't go through, so there can't be any oil that goes through. Otherwise the whole point of the exercise is futile.
If you can screw it, we can do it. Turn your headaches into ions into light. If we can't screw it, you better do it. Breaking limits, yeah, that's how we prove it. Strict thread seas heads, bring on the fight. We'll rip it out and make it tight. From the depths of the shop to the jump site grind. We're the bolt busting legends. Prime time, just screw it. Just screw it.
And the first thing you're going to say is You all set up like all that, then go to, for me personally doing it by hand is just a lot quicker. And yes, I'm very excited about it. Okay, so now, just want to get the camera there. I want to come closer, but I am going to be working here with a ratchet. So I don't want to be, I want to keep you in the shot basically. Let's see if I twist you it like that a bit. That's going to work better. That is very skew. That will work. That is it. A little bit over. There. Started right, then you know you're not going to have problems. That's good. That's good. One thing to cut this thread, you have to be very careful because the tap can snap super quickly, especially because you're cutting into steel. If it bites, you're stuck. And then you have to start all over again, like that. First get the shavings out. Down first, got the shavings and the stuff out, otherwise everything just bunches up in the bottom and then you can't cut any deeper. That can snap a tap very quickly, but I think we're on the bottom. Just gonna keep the oil and stuff off the screen. That's good. And that is a blank on the bottom. Alright, so I've got two of these little beauties. I don't know where the other one is. Now comes the fun part. This one. Okay, so today insert made to fit here as you've seen. Remember, this is hollow. If I can go like this, that's basically how deep the hole's supposed to be, but they've gone straight through. And this is right inside the engine, so all the oil is going to leak out here, even if we put the normal insert in there. Well, what's supposed to be a normal insert. So we had to blank it off. make it solid on the front. Now I'm just trying to work it in such a manner that I can actually get the full insert in and have as much thread as possible to work with. So what I'll be fitting is this in there, and it's blanked off so no oil will leak there. Aha! Think we got it. I have to do a little bit of maneuvering, but that will work. I have some decent thread inside as well.